Welcome to the MEDomicsLab installation guide for Windows. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the MEDomicsLab application on your Windows computer. To begin, head to the Releases page on our GitHub repository. Once there, select a release and download the .exe file found in the Assets section. Once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and open the file. You may see a security warning pop up on your screen. If that happens, simply click Run Anyway to proceed. This will bring up the installation window. From here, all you need to do is wait for the installation to finish. Once the installation finishes, the app will automatically launch. During this initial launch, MEDomicsLab will check for and install any required libraries. In this case, MongoDB was already installed on my system, so I only needed to install the remaining libraries by clicking Start Setup. Keep in mind that this setup process can take up to 30 minutes, so please be patient and avoid closing the app. You can monitor progress by watching the progress bar on the screen. Once the setup is complete, click Close. You'll then be prompted to set up your workspace folder. And after that, you're ready to start using the app. One last tip. If you want to check the status of all services within the app, you can click on the settings icon located at the bottom left. This section will display the current status of the server, the database, and other essential services. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch. We're here to help. Thank you for choosing MEDomicsLab, and happy exploring. We'll see you in the next tutorial.